Alright, so for the intro, you could do something like this. Something like that. And then as you get into the verse, chorus, Alright, so before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos for you all. And let's get into it. So you just throw a capo on your 6th fret. If you don't have a capo, check the description for some links. I have a cheap kind of budget capo down there that you can pick up. And yeah, capo 6th fret, you're going to start with a C shape. So index finger 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 3rd fret of A. And for the intro, you're just going to do 2 down strums. Just down, 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 down. Now, what I was hearing was going to a G shape, but a G suspended. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'll show you anyway. You're going to put your index finger up here, 3rd fret of E, middle finger 3rd fret of A, ring finger 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. So you're going to strum that twice. Then go to a G, a simple G. So you leave your ring and pinky where they are, and then you're going to add index finger 2nd fret of A, middle finger 3rd fret of low E. So you went from here to there. You don't have to do that. You can just stay on the G. Then we're going to go to A minor. So index finger is going to come back to 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 2nd fret of G. And you're going to do 2 strums. Then you're going to go to G. Now we're going to go to F major 7. Index finger comes back to 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of G, ring finger 3rd fret of A, pinky 3rd fret of D. Let the high E ring open a little bit if you want. So here's what we got. And then it'll repeat. So that's intro. So going on to the verse. Same chords, but I'm using a slightly different strum pattern. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Now this time we just go straight to G. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Again, A minor. Down, 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 up to G. Down, 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 up. F major 7. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And then it'll repeat that. So all that sounds like. And then you might hear at the end of it, if you're playing and repeating, so that's just a little pause. Alright, so listen for that. In the chorus, I'm doing the same exact strum pattern as the verse. So as you can see, everything's pretty much the same, except when you get to the G. So you get to that G, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So what that is, you just scoot your middle finger up to 4th fret, and you just pluck a single walk-up note, and that leads you to the A minor chord. So. So let me play through that chorus one more time for you. Alright, so hopefully that lesson was helpful for you in getting the basics of this song down. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.